3 months ago, Marcus was 34 years old, overweight, and had never set foot in a gym. He couldn't afford a membership. He had no equipment, had a living room, and 15 minutes a day. Today, he's added 11 pounds of lean muscle. No gym. No weights. No excuses. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact 6 exercises he used, backed by science, that trigger rapid muscle growth using nothing but your own body weight. Stay until the end, because exercise number 6 is the one most people skip, and it's the most powerful of them all. Welcome back. If you're new here, this channel is dedicated to one thing: real fitness results for real people, no gym required. No expensive gear, no complicated programs. Today's video is for anyone who thinks they need a gym to build serious muscle. Spoiler alert, you don't. Science has proven that bodyweight training, when done with the right exercises and the right intensity, stimulates the same muscle fibers as heavy weightlifting. The key word there is intensity, and I'm going to show you how to unlock it. Let's get into the 6 exercises. Exercise number 1, explosive push-ups. Here's the thing about standard push-ups. They're fine, but they don't push your fast-twitch muscle fibers hard enough to trigger serious growth. Fast-twitch fibers are the ones responsible for size and power, and they respond to speed and force. That's where explosive push-ups come in. You lower yourself in 2 seconds, slow and controlled. Then you explode upward as fast as possible. If you're advanced, your hands leave the ground entirely. That explosive phase fires every muscle fiber in your chest, shoulders, and triceps simultaneously. Aim for 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Rest 60 seconds between sets. If this is too easy, elevate your feet. Too hard, keep your knees down. The intent to move fast is what matters most. One study from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that explosive push-up variations activated up to 40% more pectoral muscle than slow standard push-ups. That's not a small difference. That's a game changer. Exercise number 2, archer push-ups. Most people have never heard of this one, and that's exactly why they're leaving gains on the table. The archer push-up is a unilateral movement, meaning you work one side of your body at a time. You start in a wide push-up position. Then, as you lower down, you shift your weight to one arm while the other arm stays straight. You're essentially doing a one-arm push-up, but with training wheels. Why does this matter? Because unilateral exercises force each muscle to work independently, doubling the tension on each side. This means more muscle fiber recruitment, more growth signal, and better symmetry. Do 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps on each side. This one will humble you fast, and that's exactly the point. Exercise number 3, pike push-ups. This is your shoulder builder. Most home workout routines completely neglect shoulder development. The result? A physique that looks flat and underdeveloped from the front. The pike push-up fixes this. You form an inverted V shape with your body, hands on the floor, hips raised high. When you lower your head toward the ground and press back up, the angle loads your deltoids, your shoulder muscles, far more than a standard push-up ever could. For maximum muscle activation, keep your elbows tracking outward, not flaring wildly. Lower slowly for 3 seconds, press up fast. 4 sets, 10 reps. As you get stronger, elevate your feet on a chair to progress toward a full handstand push-up, one of the most demanding upper body movements in existence. Exercise number 4, Bulgarian split squats. If there is one lower body exercise that belongs in every single home workout program, it's this one. Period. You place your rear foot on a chair or couch, stand about 2 feet in front of it, and lower your back knee toward the floor. The front leg does all the work, and the depth you can achieve here is brutal. This movement targets your quads, glutes, and hamstrings with an intensity that regular bodyweight squats simply cannot match. The elevated rear foot increases the range of motion, which increases time under tension, one of the 3 primary drivers of muscle hypertrophy. 4 sets of 10 reps per leg. Take your time on the descent, 3 full seconds down. That controlled lowering phase is where a significant portion of the muscle damage, and therefore the growth, actually happens. Exercise number 5. Deep push-up holds. This one is deceptively simple and brutally effective. Lower yourself to the bottom of a push-up chest, just above the floor, and hold for 30 seconds. This technique is called an isometric contraction. Your muscles are fully activated but not moving, which creates massive metabolic stress, another primary driver of muscle growth. Research has consistently shown that isometric holds at long muscle lengths produce significant hypertrophic response. 3 rounds, 30 seconds each. If your arms are shaking, good. That's the signal. And here it is, exercise number 6. The one I told you about at the start. The one most people skip because it looks too simple to work. Plyometric jump squats. You squat down to parallel, then explode upward as high as you possibly can. Land softly, absorb the impact, and immediately go again. Here's why this is so powerful for muscle growth. Your legs contain your largest muscle groups. Larger muscles mean more testosterone and growth hormone released during and after training. Jump squats activate your fast-twitched lower body fibers with explosive force, the same way sprint athletes develop thick, powerful legs without ever touching a barbell. 4 sets of 15 reps. Rest 90 seconds between sets. Push for maximum height on every single rep. If you're going through the motions, you're wasting your time. If you're leaving every set feeling like your legs might give out, you're doing it right. So here's your complete routine. Number 1. Explosive push-ups. 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Number 2. Archer push-ups. 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps per side. Number 3. Pike push-ups. 4 sets of 10 reps. Number 4. Bulgarian split squats. 4 sets of 10 reps per leg. Number 5. Deep push-up holds. 3 rounds of 30 seconds. Number 6. Plyometric jump squats. 4 sets of 15 reps. Do this workout 3 to 4 times a week. Rest at least 1 day between sessions to allow muscle repair. Progressive overload is still the goal. Each week, push for 1 more rep, shorter rest, or better form. Track your progress. Take photos. The changes won't come overnight, but within 4 to 6 weeks of consistent effort, you will feel and see the difference. Marcus didn't have a gym. He didn't have a trainer. He had 6 exercises and the decision to show up every single day. That decision is yours now. If this video gave you value, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need it. Subscribe if you want more no equipment, science-backed fitness content every week. And drop a comment below telling me which exercise you're starting with today. I'll see you in the next one. Now go get to work.